Hi, this is a question on time and work. This came up in CAT 2020, slot 2. Not too difficult. Let's see what this says. John takes twice as much time as Jack to finish the job. Jack and Jim together take one third of the time to finish the job that John takes working alone. Moreover, in order to finish the job, John takes 3 days more than that taken by the three of them together. How many days will Jim finish the job working alone? Okay, so you have three people. You have John, Jack, and Jim. Okay, so let's look at the work rates, okay, or work per day. Okay, so John takes twice as much time as Jack to finish the work, which means Jack is double as efficient as John. So Jack does twice as much work as John. So if John does 1 unit per day, Jack will do 2 units per day. Okay. Further, it says Jack and Jim together take 1/3 the time to finish the work that John alone takes. Okay, so Jack and Jim are 3 times as efficient as John, which means together they will do 3 times the work done by John per day. Right, so if John does 1 unit per day, Jack and Jim together will do 3 units per day. Right, now if they do 3 units per day, out of which Jack does 2, we know work is additive, right? So 1 unit per day is what Jim does. Okay, so we know the relative efficiencies of all 3 of them. Fine, that makes sense. Okay, now, moreover, in order to finish the job, John takes 3 days more than that taken by the 3 of them working together. Okay, so if John alone works, the work done will be 1 unit per day. If all 3 of them work together, the work done will be 4 units per day. Right, so if John finishes it in D days, the 4 of them will finish it in D by 4 days. They will take 1/4 of the time because they are 4 times efficient as just one person. Right. It also says that this difference, which is 3 by 4D, is 3 days. John takes 3 more days. Right. So this difference is 3 days, which means I know D should be equal to 4 by 3 of 3, which is 4 days. Right. Now, we can pretty easily calculate the number of days by each of them individually. If John takes 4 days, right, Jack is twice as efficient as John, so he will take 2 days. Jim is equal efficient as John, so he will also take 4 days. The question is, how many days will Jim finish the job working alone? 4 days it is. Right, very straightforward question. I would suggest please look at the time and work explainer on how to solve these questions using the unitary method or assuming an LCM method, etc. Right, that completes this particular question.